Okay, we've taken this out in here. We've taken this out in here so our spring won't catch, and we've taken the eyes down some. So now we're going to go to the front, and we're going to take that down a little bit. So we'll be going from the front to the back until we get it down to where we need it. Be sure you put the back of the head on when you put it in the vise so you don't split your head. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. Make sure you stay inside your circles that you mark. Took it down enough so I could get this to fit into the hole. Behind our marks here to gouge it out some so I can see on the inside where I have to go. I don't know if you can see it, but where I went in behind, so now I can see where I want to take more out in the back here. taking some out in here. I know it's not going to be enough yet, but I just want to check this is the size of the eye that I'm going to be using. So we get it rounded out where I have my lines for the eyes. And then we should be pretty good. So we got them opened up more. So that's just about what I want. I go a little bit more. And then we'll shape it up on the inside a little bit. Then our eyes are going to fit okay. Enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.